Hey, what's up, folks? I don't make these videos too often, but I thought I'd do one on this one. It is a 2000 Forester. Came out of Colorado. Has unbelievably, after 21 years, it's literally got like no rust on it. It's unbelievable. So I thought this would be a good candidate for a lift. I got the Anderson Design stuff. Got a new set of struts. Yeah, these general grabbers and the Mayhem Wheels. Hope that angle works. I don't have a selfie stick or any of that nonsense. But anyway, we'll do some step by step. This should be a really straightforward project. So I hope I didn't just jinx myself, and catch you on the next clip. All right, first up, be real simple. We're gonna drop the hat from the top and watch another video. We're gonna grind the lip out. I used to disconnect the brake line, but I watched somebody else doing this, so we're gonna cut a little lip on the end after we pull that locking clip, and that'll be a quick disconnect for that. Drop the speed sensor and these two guys, and we'll be dropping this strut out here in just a minute as I get my tools ready. All right, nuts are off. Gotta get these guys loose. Of course, that's the easy one, not the concentric. There she goes. All right, it's free. Now we're gonna do the top side. All right. Maybe. Might need air. Yep. Oh, gotta loosen them up. Oh boy. Check the settings on my impact. I got it ready. Fun part. Huh? Yeah, I'm watching that. One of the things I learned from watching somebody else's video is this is the way they have to go. I think he installed them this way first, and camber was all jacked. So we drop this on. And we just use and get me a So this helps you with camber setup at the end, which we'll do after we shove this thing in there. All right, buddy. Okay, next phase, the fronts. Also what I learned in the video. So mud flaps definitely got to go. Tire's going to hit. And also the pinch weld that's under this piece. So I'm going to cut, so the other guy did, basically cut it right up here. Just cut this much of the plastic out and beat the pinch weld down. That's what we are going to do next. All right, time to cut some plastic. Cake. Here. Pretty much just gonna take them out, just keep beating this, and I won't bore you with watching that the whole time I'm doing it. That's about 3 minutes of work there. Just got that beaten back. Might still take this little rise out because this looks like it'll probably catch. And then we'll be done with the first corner. Well, one of the projects I did not anticipate, or one of the expenses I should say, is I'm not a big reader of the fine print, and this is the top hat from the other strut. I've already done it. This is an OEM. And as you can see, the taper is very different in the Anderson stuff. It says on their website only fits on the OEM top housing. So, and my originals were shot. There's 250,000 on this car. So, never changed one of these things. It's pretty simple. Just crank this guy down. I mean, this probably doesn't really need a piece of video for this, but pretty much just thought I'd throw it on here. Just pretty simple. Attach the spacer. When you put it in, we'll talk more about that. Don't forget, check your left and your right, because these are marked left and right because they've got some camber compensation built in. You're going to want to get it on the right side, or you'll be taking them off and redoing them. So nothing really much more difficult than this. All right,
let's go, Bubba.
All right, rear suspension. Nuts down, that's out, lines out. This gives you more room.
We can probably get that one out of the way.
Yeah, let's just pull it now. If you put PB Blaster on a couple days ahead of time, you'll have a lot better. Yeah, you'll have a lot better luck with the nuts on the back here where they face the boot. There we go. Voila. Next thing is to drop this piece here for the trailing arm spacer. Piece of cake. And you get new bolts in the kit for this. Two. Three's in here somewhere. Alrighty. That's it. And then you just shim this bad boy in there. It really only goes one way, you'll figure it out. Taper fits one direction. Alright, so oh, that fell out. Oh my shit. Oh, this is way easier. I can see this time.
Oh, do you have to hammer it?
No. What do you got? What can you see?
You're not even close. That's what I can see.
All right.
Yeah, you're about an inch.
Which way?
Towards the rear.
Oh, here now I can see.
Yeah. You got to drop it just about a quarter inch. Now to the rear. To the rear. Now, okay. Now rotate it.
I can see the.
Yeah.
I got my finger on top here. There you go. There you go. I see it.
Nope. Nope. And you're not even close. You got about an inch, and you got to drop it
again. Oh, I see it. Oh wait, we got to stop. We got to beat this thing in.
That's what I was saying. Do you have to...
I forgot about that. Yep. I didn't know we were. So in the kit they tell you 1 in 10 cars you probably need to beat this area in. So this is 1 in 10. And it's all in here, basically in a line right here. So if you give it a, you can feel the indentation, and then you're good. And this thing will fit now, hopefully. All right, try number 2. Come on, sucker. That's way down. That's not even our way, really.
Well, I'll put a step on it, but.
All right, right.
All right, you're
I
there.
can see it.
You're there. Oh, back screws in. Rotate it.
Which
clockwise? Just
oh, it needs just a. I could.
You got the back one in. You just got to rotate it forward.
I know. Hang on.
There you go. Back one's lined up.
Front is like a 16th. Well, we need, I think last time
Let me get the...
you pushed it down to give me more room.
Exactly. Your legs are in the way. There. Now you should be able to get that. Got a clear shot at it. There you go. Oh,
there you go.
Hold it.
Yep, I got it.
Hold it.
All right. The joys of no lift.
I think you wanted to get, we got to torque them. That'll be the best.
All right. Now, let's see.
So you got the right socket on this one?
I need 17. No, wait. Oh, no, I need 19. 17s came out, but 19s go in.
All right, so here's your 19.
Ethan's made
And
he said he was going to come over after work.
there's Ethan.
Yeah. This was the part that was, oh, I think what you did is you jacked this up for me to fix, give us some geometry here.
Yep. All right, so we'll go under the drum this time.
All right. Oh, tad more. I think I get this to start right here. Come on. All right, this is the wrap-up video. And again, just gonna hold my old GoPro, but here's how she turned out. Really, really pleased with it. I got some those janky pods that I had from somewhere. I'm probably gonna replace them, and then I have LEDs for the headlights and the fogs to bulbs to go in there. I'll be probably about the last thing I'll do for a while. So quick recap, because somebody else was just running through this same thing on the lift, one of the groups in Facebook, and people are telling them to like take the axle out and all kind of shit that's completely unnecessary. If you didn't see it in the video, recap of the front. You got to beat down, you got to cut that plastic section out of your inner liner and beat that pinch weld down. Just the only trick you really need to know is just disconnect sway bars from the get-go. That's going to give you plenty of droop in the suspension. And then when I was relining my struts back in, when it was just the hubs, I just get the jack kind of up under one or two of these studs because it's laying out on an angle. And when you jack up, it just pivots it right back in. It really makes it easy. So that's it for the fronts. Fronts are pretty easy. Don't forget to put your ADFs. If you're using Anderson, since they have camber compensation, they tell you how to do that. And the rear's pretty straightforward. Although you know what a pain in the ass it is with the bolts, because the nut is you can't get a gun on it because of the it's in line with a CV boot. So you probably, almost all of you probably have to beat this inner fender well back into a little bit of a concave shape to keep it from rubbing. This car rubbed. I'm assuming a lot of them do. Again, pretty straightforward. If you drop the sway bars, and actually we dropped the trailing arm because you're gonna have to put that 2-inch spacer in up there too. If you drop that, you've got a ton of room to squeeze this the new strut with the new top, the lift on it. And that was really it. It was pretty damn straightforward, other than the setback that I had from finding out that the Anderson stuff only works with factory strut top mounts. So I had to go pick 2 fronts up from Subaru, and I hogged out a little metal for the rears. And that's about it. Any questions? Let me know in the comments.